What's going on, y'all? Back up again with another video. We're up with Herb Alpert. This is his song, Making Love in the Rain. Now, that is insane. Making love out of all weather choices, the rain has got to be top 5 worst ones. Top 5 worst pick. Hail, tornado, tsunami, rain, sleet storm. You know what I'm saying? It's all up there. But I just don't know where the song is going to go. I don't know how it's going to sound. Making love in the rain. I feel that has to be a slow, you know what I'm saying, one of them type of songs. But we're gonna see. So let's get into it. Is that the wind? Like that? They really in the rain. That's crazy. It's not even like a metaphor. Wait. Haha, yeah.
Making love in the rain. I can't believe the joy it brings me.
So
It's just a little thing, but it
talk to me, y'all. Talk to me. Herb Alpert. Either Herb got some different type of vocals that is just really rare to have, or that's not Herb. I see right here is somebody playing. You know what? Let's just look up Herb Alpert. Let's just do that real quick. Making love in the rain. Okay, so that's you with the trumpet. Composer, producer. So then who's that singing then? So if you're it's one of those things like, what's his name? Like David Guetta or something like that? We're gonna see.
it's just a little thing, but it means so much to me.
Hey, he playing like a
Our
trumpet.
bodies together while the rain plays a melody. Every raindrop makes me think of you. Wishing you were close to me. There is nothing that I'd rather do than making love in the rain. I can't believe the joy it brings me.
Making it the joy it brings me. And I don't feel like. Listen. Only one family sings the word me like that. Me. That's a Jackson. I feel like. Let me see. Let me see if I'm right though. Making love in the rain. Nobody sings. So yeah, Janet Jackson. Okay, I know it, bro. When it comes, y'all forget I was a huge Michael Jackson fan growing up. Nobody sings me like a Jackson. They all sing it the same. Listen how Janet hit it. As soon as I heard the word me, I knew who it was.
Making love in the rain. I can't believe the joy it brings me.
Nobody sings me like that.
All alone, I hear the rain on the window.
She's killing the track vocals though.
When it's stormy outside, it's calm in my heart with you in my arms. And when you're away from me, I wish it would rain, 'cause it's always the same. Every raindrop makes me think of you. Wishing you were close to me. There's
Come
nothing
on.
that I'd rather do than making love in the rain. I can't believe the joy it brings me. I can't believe.
Nah, lead vocals can sing. I just hope as we get further into the song, because it's a slow song. But it has a little bit of movement, it has a little bit of tempo to it. It's not like one of those really, really slow songs. But it's on the slower end. Listen, I just hope that she gives us like a little more like something like that, like ad libs toward the end. We didn't get so much. I think we're about what, halfway through the song. We didn't get a lot in the first half. I'm hoping in the second half we get just a little bit more because I like her voice. Like it would add something to the song, honestly. Just me. I could just like ad libs. It could just be me. Y'all let me know y'all opinion, but I feel like it could add something.
I can't believe. All alone, I hear the rain on my window. Making love in the rain. I can't believe the joy it brings me.
There we go. Talk to me.
All alone, I hear the rain on my window. On my window, I hear the raindrops flow.
She can sing. Yeah. Come on, shorty. My fault, y'all. My fault.
I hear the raindrops flow. Raindrop makes me think of you. Wishing you were close to me. There's
Yeah, I
nothing,
like her
nothing
voice.
that I'd rather do than making love in the rain. I can't believe the joy it brings me. Oh, making
Hey.
love all alone. I hear the rain on my window. I hear it rain.
Real quick, I like who is this? They had her name right here. Lisa Keith. Talk to me, Miss Keith. Talk to me. Who whoa. Lisa. Sing it like that? Respect. Okay. Lisa, we might need to go down that Lisa Keith rabbit hole. Y'all let me know.
Joy it brings me. Ooh, yeah.
anybody sampled this? Has anybody sampled this? Do I need to go into music and start making beats? I don't know. The way that they slowly brought in the rain sounds, Herb Alpert on the trumpet, just an all around production. You could tell that time was really taken with this. Now I don't know if everybody had input or it was just Herb by himself, but my dog, this one right here, dummy download. We've been kind of on the road with these dummy downloads. Yeah, another dummy download. We need this one. I rock with it. And then you can hear the rain coming in. Like, come on. Yeah. Yeah. I rock with it. Dummy download stamp. My only critique would be, Miss Lisa, I like your voice. I really do. I would just want I wanted more. Just a little. I wanted some more from you. We making love in the rain, baby. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm not saying you gotta give it your all, dive deep in it like Fantasia or Mary J. Blige, but like just a little bit more feeling, less formal with it. Like just a little bit more. I just really liked her voice. But Janet Jackson, Herb, Lisa, I like this song. I really do. From start to finish, the vocals, the production, the music. I don't even really know. I just know Making Love in the Rain. What y'all was really singing about, if it was for real, if y'all was really in the rain getting down, or if it's supposed to be like a metaphor, I don't know. Because I heard y'all, but I didn't internalize the words. I'm just hearing the music, really, man. I really enjoyed it. But y'all let me know what y'all think. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure that like button, true rock your boy. Make sure you subscribe, comment, let me know what other videos you want to see me react to next. But I'm up out of here.